I hope you are doing great. So, today we are going to learn how to create Visual Studio projects templates in order to speed up the development of your applications. So, in this case, I already have a small demo um, template or project which has configured things such as the support for cores, which is currently just commented, the deserialization options for the JSON to 3D enumerations as strings, so I can easily see them in the Swagger documents and also uh, pass the information as strings. Um, Also added the API versioning, added some automatic generation for the Swagger documents and the Swagger UI. So you will see that here I actually have a small list where there are all of my information, and you see that in here I have a function auto generate all Swagger documents, and I have that function implemented to find the actual attributes for the API version and the API Explorer settings attribute to get the group name and the version and the controller name. And with that information, basically I add the Swagger UI by using the Swagger docs object uh, generated from the function. All of this can actually be sent to a NuGet package and make it work as an extension, but currently I have it that way. So here you will see that I have just a couple of folders which has the version 1 with models and demo controller, and you see that this demo controller has the API Explorer settings with group name demo and the API version 1.0, and you will see that in the road I am using the API version and I am setting the version as part of the road. Here I implement two demo controllers, so you will see that here I have also the road, the API version, but in this case this one is the version 2, and this is the group name for that one. And this demo controller, you will see that this one has group name demo v2, API version 2.0, and the version API version 2. So when I go and I run this, you will see you will immediately see the Swagger UI documentation, or the pages actually, when we have all of the endpoints that we have available in our APIs. So once this load, you will see so you see that here I have this is the additional demo definition. So basically what I did is I set it to generate a Swagger document per controller. So you will see that here I have demo API 1.0, and this is for the demo controller. Demo API 2.0, this is for the demo v2 controller, and this additional demo API 2.0 is for the additional demo controller. It only has a put, and you will see that the swagger.json is a different swagger.json for each of those. So that actually makes it easier to create or to create new APIs in marketplaces, for example. So you have a controller swagger JSON, you get it, and then you put that swagger.json for a specific controller as part of one API in the marketplace instead of a big swagger.json with all of your controllers. So that's what the project does, or what the template does at the moment. Is just a sample, and in order to create a package, you will basically select the project. In order to create a template, basically you select the project, or yeah, you go to project, you do export template. Here Visual Studio will let you choose what you want to export. I want to export a project template. You select which project, you put the name and everything, and then this will generate a zip. And the zip file will be in my exported templates. Then when you create a new project, well, after you install the template, well, actually once you export it, you will be able to find it here. When you create a new project, you will see it, and this will actually generate the a project with the sample I actually showed you a second ago. If you want to use this template, I actually uploaded to Visual Studio Marketplace. I will leave the link in the video description. So this is the template, and you will see it. This is the name. This is actually the first template. I mess up a little bit with the name for it, but you can get it. I'll leave the link in the video description so you can check it in case this is useful for you. I will also put the repository once I actually upload the basic template for that, so you can also get the code from GitHub. So that's actually one of the ways where you can create Visual Studio projects templates. So basically, if you have a pattern, a common pattern, when you develop your own systems, it is really useful to create a Visual Studio template with all of your common stuff that you include almost always in your systems, so you don't have to do all that manually every time you create a new project. So it's really useful and speeds up your manual development a lot. So yeah, I recommend it in case you haven't used it before. And yeah, let us know what you like to learn about .NET Core, Azure, Unity3d, and Blazor. And remember, subscribe to the channel and share it so we have more people watching the channel, and I can keep making more videos for you. Have a great day.